Hi, this is Satish Prajapati from Conquest Engineering. Conquest Engineering established in 2010. We are basically doing the trading of engineering parts. Mainly we are serving into the different kind of the segments, like we are supplying into the food and pharma, we are supplying into the oil and gas, plastic processing industries. We are catering most of the OEMs. Geographically, we are also handling the entire western zone of the India. We are authorized channel partner of a company called Parker Hannifin. It is one of the Fortune 500 multinational company, and we are basically dealing into the products of the hydraulic seals, O-rings, rotary seals. Apart from this selling products, we are also handling filtration and pneumatics products also. We are a growing company, and we analyze that if we want to make some kind of the system into the company, then ERP is very compulsory, or you can say the necessary. So whether you are a small scale industries, you are a MSME company, if you want to do any business in an auto mode, then ERP is a very compulsory, or it is a very necessary also. So we have invested into the DataNote ERP almost 2.5 years back, before the Corona. We during the time of implementation, we understand there are different modules are there. We have to retrieve the data, we have to enter the data, we have to train our team also to understand the benefits of the ERP. So that was the reason we have started to tie up with DataNote team. They have implemented the system in our system, and one by one we have started to work on to the different modules. It's a very user friendly system. Even the interface, if you will refer, each and every module is defined very precisely. You can enter the data, you can retrieve into the form, and you can analyze that tools also to understand how the business exactly going on, how the process is going to be going. So that was one of the reason we have invested into the DataNote. Our each and every process is now 100% done in ERP only. Our sales team is entered the SO into the system. From SO enter to the dispatch to the collection, inventory management, everything done in this ERP only. Our warehouse that is little bit far from this place, so where we have also implement this, we are using the same ERP, right? So it is, earlier we were using a tally, so that was accounting enabled system. Now this DataNote is complete ERP, and we are using complete each and every modules. So all the invoices, the dispatch, everything run through this ERP only. Even it is very useful into the GST, e-way bill systems, e-invoicing. So this DataNote ERP is very well enabled with all the existing features or requirement of the industry. We highly recommend each and every company, if you want to grow in a very precise manner or in a very auto mode, then ERP is a very compulsory. The support from DataNote team is also very extensive. They always available anytime. If you will call, they will support in each and every manner, whether it's a technical call or it's a service related call. They support a lot. What kind of the customization you required, they are also providing in that. So it's definitely, as a Conquest owner or as a Conquest team or as a growing company, we recommend to use such kind of the ERPs. I specifically recommend to use DataNote because you are getting a very well support. Now they have also expanded the service in the pan India. Even apart from India, they are also started into the Africa and some other continents also. So if you are going to increase your footprints in each and every countries or in other countries also, then I think such kind of the softwares are very helpful to us. We have purchased this DataNote software with one of their reputed channel partner called TechUnity, Mr. Hardik. So he is a very supportive guy. Very transparently he has given all the deal, and he has guided us which are the modules are easily available, what kind of the customization is possible. So even during the time of the pandemic, where we all know the situations are not in our control, but even though that time also, either remotely or whenever it is possible, they visited our office with the team and understand what kind of challenges are there, because when the time of implementation, we know the challenges are very high level, correct? So they understand what exactly our requirement is and how they can do that integration between ERP and our actual requirements. So they have supported a lot. Thank you very much, Hardik bhai and the DataNote team, to give us such a precious system to us, which is very helpful us to do this business in a very auto mode. Thank you, Hardik bhai and TechUnity, and thank you, DataNote.